Greetings, folks. This is DC Investing, Reach Financial Independence, and I am talking about topics that help others on their pathway to financial independence. And today's kind of just a pep talk to keep you on your quest for saving and investing. I am here with the giant swamp creature monster. He's pretty scary. He is a fully animatronic character powered by pneumatic cylinders, has a computer board, sound, actuation, all of that stuff. And the reason why I bring him up here is there's fun that can be had when you work sometimes, and there's also the boring day job type thing. And I have just crossed the line where I retired from my electrical engineering job that I held for 25 years. It paid above six figures, but it wasn't engaging, wasn't fun for me any longer because I just really love creatures and monsters and things. So here's one of those creatures, and I just bring this up because for the FIRE community, it stands for Financial Independence Retire Early, but you can also change the last two words to recreational employment. So financial independence, recreational employment, and my choice for recreational employment is to create some monsters. So here, his big jaw moves, his whole head moves. He's just such a cool character. He's tall. I'm standing up, and he's standing next to me. You got big arms, giant legs. He's just a fun, cool creature. And this creature I made from scratch. So we had an artist make the mold for this, sculpted all the teeth for the arms, the body, all of that. It was all created from nothing. And then from the molds, you make a negative of what you're going to cast, and you align it with latex, fill it up with foam. There's a support steel structure inside, pneumatic cylinders that do all the articulation. It's just the stuff that I love. I've always loved to do this. I became an engineer because I wanted to work on animatronics. I could never quite find the perfect financial thing to be able to make a living doing this kind of stuff. But as a supplemental income, along with an engineering uh, day job, it was a good little thing, and it also provided extra income all along the way. So if you have your day job that you're using to support your family, and then you have a side gig that you really like that pays a little bit of supplemental income, then you can put that extra income into more investments that grow over time, and then eventually those investments create all of the living, um, I guess, money that you need to live. And so I no longer need a paycheck from either my side gig or my major job, but I just like this little side job. So I'm going to keep doing it because it's so fun. So again, I retired. I retired on Friday the 13th. I thought that was fitting for someone who really enjoys monsters. We're standing here next to the giant swamp goblin, and uh, this is my little after retirement gig. I'll continue to do this, I guess, as long as they continue to pay me a little bit, and I'm having fun. I get to make new creative things. It's very engaging to me. That's the word I learned from my job. Are you engaged at work? And definitely as a computer designer for the military, I was not very engaged any longer in that job. It was just a paycheck. I got enough assets that I could retire, and so I did. So I'm now on the new journey. It's after retirement. I've reached financial independence. Now I'm kind of on that after regular job journey. So I thought I'd share that with you. I hope all of you will continue to save, continue to try to work on your own economic journey, and maybe this little pep talk to say just keep going. Eventually, you cross that line where you have enough in assets. You don't need to work in a job that you don't necessarily like. You can just do whatever you want to this for fun. So, like, subscribe. This is DC Investing. Love to hear your comments. Do you like my creature or not? Again, he was my brainchild, came from nothing, and now he's this giant creature. So we'll see you. Bye.